being an educational only channel. I'll walk you through my methods. Hopefully we'll have some fun along the way. Bro me's, I'm just an old fart having fun. In my 2x2 and my 3x3. How about that? Appreciate all ya, I really do, heck. I even love ya, grow me.
Good morning, grow me. Today is Wednesday, April the 15th, and it is tea time for the little American gangster. I got 1 gallon of water. Temperature's 71.5, pH to 6.5. I use 0.5 grams green rush seaweed extract per gallon and a half a teaspoon of grandma's unsulfured molasses per gallon of water. Don't get carried away with this or you're gonna be battling bugs. I saw you, local, putting all that molasses in a quart jar. Pay attention. Yeah, we're gonna get her all teed up. I'm probably gonna give her 500 in the bottom, 1,000 in the top. Bring it back up to a gallon. And make sure the pH is around 6.2. I might give our little Gigi a little shot this morning. When I get home this afternoon, after taking Mom to the doctors and all that good stuff, we'll be outdoors, and I'm going to give everything a feed. This is good stuff here. I was really happy with it last year. So I'm going to be starting off everything with this for quite a while. Good shit. Outdoor container plants, 1 tablespoon per gallon. Good stuff, good stuff. All right, on with the show. I'm gonna go ahead and sock it to him, and I'll be back with you in just a flash. Okay, dokie. And our little Miss American Gangster is day 7 of week 10 today. Give her a little shot of cow mag yesterday. Let's go look at the babies real quick. Okay, dokie. There's our little babies for the outdoor. Tomorrow will be day 1 of week 3. They'll all get 200 meals. Have a fantastic day, Grummies. Hopefully I'll catch you this afternoon. I'm out of here. Peace.